Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we're going to be cooking Moroccan style couscous. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-measured ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before we start, dissolve the stock pot in boiling water to make our chicken stock. Now put a saucepan on a medium heat and drop in the ginger, allspice, cloves, cayenne, cardamom, coriander and cumin. Lightly toast the spices for a couple of minutes before stirring in the onion and oil. After about 5 minutes, the onion should be softened and you can add in the peppers and courgette. Mix it all together well and leave for another 5 minutes. Now add in the chickpeas, sultanas, orange zest and salt. Give it a quick stir before adding the chicken stock and orange juice. Turn the heat up to high and bring everything to a boil. Once it's boiling, stir in the couscous, pop a lid on the saucepan and take it off the heat. Leave the saucepan for 5 minutes to cook the couscous perfectly. Once it's done, remove the lid and fluff the mixture up with a fork. Finally, add in the chopped mint and you're ready to serve. This dish goes perfectly with a tagine. The sautéed vegetables and spices make it so much more than just couscous. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.